So hello everyone, in this video I'll be telling you how you can write your first HTML page. For doing that, in the last slide we understood that for writing a page we need a text editor. So it can be a normal code editor as well, but we'll not be jumping into that. First, let's write some HTML inside a notepad, which is also one text editor inside Windows. So for opening that, we need to run the window R command, and then we can write notepad here. So it will open notepad actually. So notepad is nothing but a simple white page which lets you write something uh, or and like you can write some code of HTML, or you can write any text if you want. So it is just a text editor. No more fancy things, just simple. So let me just write something. So let me just increase the size of it by going into format font, and then I can change the font family, font style, and the size of that. Let me just make it 22. So first you have to write the HTML tag, or you have already seen one more declaration which was doc type. So you can also start with that. So actually it is just you can say optional. So you can leave that as well. That will also not cause any problem. Then you have to write the HTML which wraps everything inside, all the things comes into this HTML tag. This is a basic structure of a tag. Like you open the less than symbol and then you close it with the greater than symbol, and inside that you write the tag name or the element name. So I'm writing just the same thing. But before this is called an opening tag. So this is an opening HTML tag, and then this is the closing HTML tag. So you have to close it by adding this symbol which is backslash, I think. Then then this will be closed. So some of the tags are not closed like this. We'll understand what are those in the future videos. But the basic tags are actually closed like this. So you have to repeat the same tag by adding this backslash. So this is one opening tag and this is the closing tag. After that you write head tag or head element. So what is the difference between a tag and element? So actually this single thing is called tag, and when you talk about head element, then we combinedly the opening and the closing tag combinedly called the element, head element. So inside that we just write the links or of the external files, of external CSS files, of you if you want to add a fav icons, and if you want to fetch some CDN links, so you add that inside this. So basically the background processes which you need for running a web page, you write that inside this head element. So for now I'll be writing one title tag which actually adds the title of your page inside a tab. We'll see it in when we run this page. So let me just write first day, and after that, after the head, I'm opening one more tag or one more element which is body. Basically body is the main view or main content area in which you will write everything, like the forms and anything which you want to create and to show to the user, that you will be creating inside the body tag or body element. So let me just create one heading. For creating a heading, you can write h1. H1 is for heading 1, and then you can write any heading inside that. So let me just write hello world. We'll be understanding these heading tag as well. So this h1 is closed now. So this is actually the structure of one heading, and we can also create another heading which is h2. We'll be understanding all the headings in the future videos. For now, just understand this, that this will be heading 1, and inside whenever we create anything inside heading 1, it becomes very large and bold. So for a normal text, you can write it inside a p tag, which is called paragraph tag. So the tags are simply simple. You can see that it is just a plain English, but wrapped inside the less than and greater than symbol. Inside that I can write this is a normal paragraph, let's say. So then we can close that. Now if I want to run this into a web browser, then I can simply save it. Let me just save it. Let me just save it in documents or maybe in my files, and let me just create one folder called HTML, and inside that I can create one let's say first.html because it's our first page. So first, make sure you add this .html extension, otherwise it will not be like executed by the browser. So make sure you add this .html. You can also write .stm, that will also work, but I will suggest you write this html because it works on the old browser as well. Let's save it and just run that from here. You can see that uh, it is taking the default browser icon. If I double click on that, then this file will be run inside the Firefox, which is my current default browser. Let me just double click on that. So you can see that we have successfully executed first HTML page. We have created one HTML page. Now I can just change the content inside that. Like if I want to like update this to heading 1, like I want to change this to heading 1, then it will be changed inside the heading. Just have to refresh this page by clicking on this reload icon. So you can see that it is updated, and also the title is there, the tab title which I was talking about in here. So this title tag actually adds the title in the tabs of that a web page. So for example, if I want to change this, then I can also change that. Let me just write hey there, anything I can write. So if I just refresh that, so you can see that it is changing. And this is a normal paragraph tag. So this is not very styled, and this you can see it is having a greater size than this, and it is having bold effect. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video, that how you can run your first page, first HTML page. In the future video, I will be telling you that how you can like understand this heading actually. So what are the other headings and the basic HTML tags we will be learning about in the next video. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.